My name is Rich from Total Air Solutions. I'm here to do a dryer vent cleaning and walk you through it and show you how it's all done. A sure sign for your dryer vent to be clogged up is you'll notice your dryer running an excessive amount of time to dry your clothes, which basically tells you that the air is not flowing through the vent properly. It will use an excessive amount of electricity to dry your clothes with a dirty dryer vent. So it is good to maintain your dryer vent, on a yearly basis. That way there you don't have any electricity issues as far as your light bill and everything else goes. If you'd like to follow me in with the customer, and we will go ahead and clean your dryer vent. To make sure that it doesn't have a screen of any sort. Sometimes they'll have bird screens on the roof caps and they will clog up with wind. So that one there does not have a screen and it is damper. Come back here and look. So you can see the amount of lint that collects behind the dryer. What we're going to do is disconnect the dryer pipe from the wall. You see the amount of lint that's in that dryer pipe. This is not that bad of a dryer vent. I've seen them the lint be 1.5 feet tall. This is quite a bit of lint that's stuck in the vent. I've seen worse. That's how we do a dryer vent cleaning.